Prince Harry has been slammed by Karren Brady following his trip to Aspen, Colorado, earlier this week. In her latest column, The Apprentice star, 53, took issue with the way the Duke of Sussex, 37, traveled to the polo tournament he was playing in after he took a private jet to the game. Karren didn't hold back as she branded the Duke pampered, after it was revealed he caught a private jet to the polo tournament. The Duke of Sussex rode to victory after playing in the annual Centerbale ISPS Handa Polo Cup. However, the Apprentice star told how it wasn't the prince's skill which captured her attention. Karren wrote, "The pampered prince flew out of California on a £7.6 million private jet, but the plane was left idling on the tarmac for 30 minutes. It only took off after two flunkies carrying his polo mallets and kit loaded his gear. So much for being a man of the people," she wrote in her column for The Sun. It comes as the prince flew 1,000 miles for a one-day polo tournament from his home in Montecito, California to Aspen. His polo equipment traveled in a separate car to the jet. The Duke was spotted arriving to board a private jet close to his home, while his polo equipment arrived half an hour later and was carried into the hold by members of staff before the plane left for Aspen. It's understood the royal was offered a lift on the jet which was already taking attendees to the tournament. Following the polo tournament, the Duke is believed to have flown back to California via commercial airline. Harry has previously defended his use of private jets following backlash. In 2019, he stated that 99% of his flights are commercial.